Welcome to our daily English conversation series. Today we're going to explore common conversations that happen at home. These are everyday situations where you can practice your English skills in a relaxed and familiar setting.
Hello everyone. I am excited to share these conversations with you. Let's dive into everyday scenarios and learn English in a cozy setting.
Making breakfast in the morning. Good morning. What would you like for breakfast today?
I am thinking of having some eggs and toast. How about you?
Would you like some coffee or tea with your breakfast?
I will have tea, please.
Do you prefer sweet or savory breakfast foods?
I like a mix of both. What about you?
Should we make pancakes or waffles this morning?
Let's go with waffles. I will get the batter ready.
Are you hungry now or should we wait a bit before eating?
I am ready to eat now. Let's go ahead and prepare breakfast. When we are planning the day. What are your plans for today?
I have a meeting in the morning and then I will be working on my project.
Do you need any help with your tasks today?
Yes, could you help me with some research for my project?
Should we go for a walk later in the day?
That sounds like a good idea. Let's plan for an evening walk.
Is there anything specific you want to accomplish today?
I want to finish writing the first draft of my report by the evening. It's a family time. Are we doing anything special this weekend?
Yes, we're planning a barbecue with the family on Saturday.
Should we invite our cousins over for dinner tonight?
That's a great idea. I will give them a call and confirm.
Can you help me with some chores around the house later?
Of course, I will be happy to lend a hand.
What time is everyone arriving for the family gathering?
Most of them should be here by 6 p.m.
Do we need to buy anything for the party tonight?
We're all set with the groceries, but we might need some extra drinks. When watching TV at home. Do you want to watch a movie or a TV show tonight?
Let's watch a movie. Do you have any genre preferences?
Should we make some popcorn to snack on while watching?
Yes, and maybe we can also have some ice cream for dessert.
Can you pass me the remote? I will find something interesting to watch.
Sure, here you go. Let's see what's on the streaming service.
Should we watch something lighthearted or something more intense?
I am in the mood for a comedy. How about you?
Do you want to watch the movie in English with subtitles or dubbed in our language?
Let's watch it in English with subtitles so we can practice our listening skills. Thanks for joining us. Practice these dialogues at home for better fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.
Hope you enjoyed. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more. Like, share, and comment below to let us know your thoughts.